channel.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is me, Krisha,
And Callie.
for today's video, mag-tuturbag kami! Yay! Happy na hanawan kami! So, tuturbag ko na kayo guys! So, first laman ng bag ko is
The main part.
ito, envelope siya. Parang clear envelope. Next, alcohol. Pencil case.
Very cute with acrylic markers.
Fan. Lobat na lang siya, guys.
Yes.
Tissue. Ay, yan, tissue. And wallet. Wipes.
Ang tiny guys.
Cutie wipes.
Yes.
Next is notebooks and grade 3 pad. And wala na. So next bag na tayo.
The things part.
Face mask, dalawang face mask and may clay. Yun lang laman ng bag ko. At syempre, meron din tayong food sacks. Food sacks. Syempre, meron din tayong simulan ating payong. Para pag gumalang na lang tayong payong.
Yes.
Kompleto na lahat ng gamit ko.
Yes.
So, balik na natin guys ha.
You have enough of a bag toy.
Kunin mo yung play nahulog. Guys, ang hirap naman eh. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.